In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move Steam games and libraries. By the end of this video, you'll have successfully moved a Steam game from one drive to another using Steam's built-in Move Install Folder feature without reinstalling the game. First, open Steam, launch the Steam app on your computer and wait for the main window to load. Next, go to Library. At the top of the Steam window, click Library to view your list of games. You should see all installed and uninstalled titles in the left sidebar or in grid view. Now, right-click the game you want to move. In the list, find the game currently installed on your original drive. Right-click its name to open the context menu. This prepares the options you need to change where the game's files are stored. Click Properties. From the menu, you choose Properties to open the game's settings window. This is where Steam groups all game-specific controls, including installation details. Go to Installed Files. In the Properties window, look to the left-hand menu and select Installed Files. This section shows where the game is installed and provides tools to manage those files. Click Move Install Folder. In the Installed Files panel, click the Move Install Folder button. Steam will open a small dialog that lists available Steam library folders on your computer. This tool moves the existing files to a different Steam library, which is how you move a game between drives. Choose New Drive. In the Move Content dialog, select the Steam library on the drive where you want the game to live. You'll see library locations by drive letter and folder. Pick the correct destination drive to avoid moving the game to the wrong place. If you have multiple libraries, be sure you select the one with enough free space. This step does not delete your game. It simply directs Steam where to place the files. Click Move. Once you've selected the destination, click Move to begin. Steam will start transferring the game files from the current drive to the new drive. You'll see a progress bar showing the move status. During this time, keep Steam open and avoid launching the game until the process completes. The time required depends on the game size and your drive speeds. If the window shows progress events, just let it run until it reaches 100%. At this point, Steam finalizes the move and updates the game's install location. You should still be in the Properties window on the Installed Files tab. Here, you'll see the new install drive and folder listed confirming the change. This method keeps your game files intact and does not affect your playtime, achievements, or most save files. In most cases, saves are stored separately and remain available the next time you launch. If you have additional games to move, repeat the same process for each one. Open Library, right-click the game, go to Properties, open Installed Files, click Move. Install Folder, choose the new drive, and click Move. Moving games this way ensures Steam manages everything correctly inside your Steam libraries, which helps avoid missing files or verification issues later. Once that's done, you can close the Properties window and return to your library view. Your moved game will be listed the same as before, and it's ready to launch from its new location. If you ever check disk usage on your drives, you'll see the space freed on the original drive and used on the new one. Your Steam game has now been moved to the new drive within your Steam libraries, and everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.